How to quit smoking today and take back control of your life. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel because this video could be the turning point that helps you break free from smoking, regain control over your body, and start building a healthier, stronger future, starting today. Let's begin. Let's be honest, quitting smoking is not easy. Millions of people try, and many fail, not because they are weak, but because smoking creates both a physical and mental addiction. Some people are addicted to nicotine. Others are addicted to the habit itself, the motion, the routine, the comfort. But here's the truth you need to hear. If quitting were impossible, no one would ever succeed, and many already have. Why your body craves cigarettes. When you smoke, nicotine enters your bloodstream and triggers a chemical reaction in your brain. This creates a short burst of energy, temporary alertness, a false sense of relief. But when nicotine levels drop, your body demands more. That demand feels like irritability, anxiety, restlessness, cravings. This cycle repeats again and again. Understanding this cycle is powerful because it shows you one thing. The craving is not you, it's chemistry, and chemistry can be managed. Smoking is quietly damaging your body. Smoking doesn't destroy your health overnight. It works slowly, silently. Many smokers believe, "I feel fine, so nothing is wrong." But damage often appears only when it's too late to reverse. Smoking affects your lungs, your immune system, your hormones, your energy levels, and your long-term lifespan. It weakens your body's ability to heal, fight illness, and stay strong. Quitting is not about fear, it's about protecting your future. A healthier life starts the moment you quit. The moment you stop smoking, your body begins to recover. Your oxygen levels improve. Your immune system strengthens. Your body starts repairing itself. Over time, breathing becomes easier. Energy increases. Taste and smell return. Disease risk drops. Quitting is not about losing something. It's about regaining your life. Withdrawal symptoms are temporary. One of the biggest fears people have when quitting smoking is withdrawal. Symptoms may include headaches, fatigue, irritability, insomnia, strong cravings. These symptoms feel uncomfortable, but they are temporary. They are signs that your body is healing and adjusting. Giving in to cravings resets the cycle. Resisting them weakens it. Every craving you overcome makes the next one easier. How to handle cravings when they hit. Cravings don't last forever. Most last only a few minutes. When they appear, distract yourself, change your environment, move your body. Go for a walk, play a game, call a friend, drink water. Physical activity is especially powerful. Even 15 minutes of movement can break a craving. Keep your mouth busy. Chewing gum, drinking water, eating healthy snacks. Small actions make a big difference. Replace the habit, don't just remove it. Smoking is not only an addiction, it's a routine. If you remove the cigarette without replacing the habit, your brain feels lost. Replace smoking with exercise, breathing techniques, new routines, healthier coping strategies. Your brain needs a substitute. Healthy habits weaken old ones. Motivation is stronger than willpower. Willpower fades, motivation lasts. Write down your reasons for quitting, your health, your family, your future, your freedom. Read this list every time you feel tempted. Also, write down the consequences of smoking, disease, reduced energy, shortened lifespan. Seeing the truth clearly makes relapse less appealing. Your environment matters. Being around smokers makes quitting harder. If possible, avoid smoking environments. Spend time with supportive people. If friends smoke, invite them to quit with you. Shared goals create accountability. Support makes the journey easier. Relapse is not failure. Many people quit, relapse, and then quit again. Relapse doesn't mean you failed, it means you're learning. The real failure is giving up completely. Each attempt strengthens your understanding and increases your chances of success. Persistence wins. Quitting smoking is a process. Quitting smoking is not a single decision, it's a process. You must stay aware, stay committed, stay patient. Even after quitting, you must protect yourself from triggers. One cigarette can restart the addiction. Freedom requires consistency. Final message: you are stronger than this habit. Smoking does not define you. Addiction does not control you. You are capable of change. You are capable of discipline. You are capable of a healthier life. Cravings are temporary. Benefits are permanent. If you stay persistent, one day you'll wonder why you ever smoked at all. If this video helped you see quitting smoking differently, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos about health, self-control, and building a stronger life, one decision at a time. Thanks for watching, and remember, quitting smoking today is a gift your future self will thank you for.